Are you okay? Hello, good morning. We are on a shuttle. I'm sorry, media corrector. We are on a shuttle on our way to Taman Negara, which basically literally translates to national park. It's this big national park that is believed to be the oldest rainforest in the world. We don't know for a fact because this lady does not trust science. She doesn't trust it. So it's believed to be the oldest rainforest in the world. And that's where we're going. This is our driver, Ramesh. Oh, what did you? Whoa! What did you do, brother? Brother.
Hold on. Come on.
Okay.
Let's give me.
Let's go.
Cheers.
Cheers, brother.
Breakfast.
Okay, we made it off the Fast and the Furious 7 bus. That was insane. Now we're getting on. Wow, is that the boat? We're getting on this like really cool longboat, and we're gonna go all the way up this river for several hours.
Tiket to me, luggages to the boat pen, okay?
Okay.
Look at my jeans.
We're like soaking wet. Okay, the camera's gonna break. We made it, and it's not raining, and well, you're still wet.
I'm still
I'm
wet.
still wet, but yeah, it's not raining. Hello. Okay, here we are.
I think
Whoa.
I put the steaks in there.
We made it to our campground. Gonna set up our tents.
They're not in here.
What for your rent? Real cute.
No, my.
Well, it is several hours later. We put up our tents in a monsoon, per usual. Then we had dinner. Then we both think we got leeches because I was mysteriously bleeding and then she was mysteriously bleeding, and we had to pull things off of us. Now we have our laundry hanging in a public bathroom, and we're the only ones camping because it's monsoon season. Eric's trying to make a fire.
Spiral.
What?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's a little sturdier. We come to the Hawaiian part of the evening.
What are they saying in Finding Nemo?
Shark.
Welcome, brother, Shark Bait. Shark Bait. Here's some progress. I think we did it. I think y'all did it. Good job.
Oh, that's
Light the fire. Let's sing a song. In my soul. No one's singing with me.
Fan the flame.
Fan the flame.
Fan the flame.
Make my spirit whole. Lord, you know
fire down in my soul.
just where I've been. Light the fire.
Light it.
In my heart again.
One more time.
Okay. We in the tent. We smuggling.
We smell
It's
bad.
like old times. Oh.
It's like Thailand, except for we're outside this time.
Yeah, so this is like real. This is it. This is what we trained for.
This
Lindy
is
Jo.
not a test.
This is what training camp was for. My thingy's in the shot.
Oh no.
Okay, we're gonna go. My handle. Hello, good morning. We survived the night. I'm a bit damp still, but we're good. We just had pancakes for breakfast, which is delicious. And now we're gonna go on this canopy walkway. Look at this scary lizard.
Kilimanjaro dragon or whatever, Kilimanjaro.
Shoot, that thing is gonna eat you. They climb up in the trees. I ain't about that.
Because you took the path to the right.
We got to see the lizard.
Look at this tree.
This is definitely picture worthy.
Yes, that would be really sick.
Let's take a picture, guys.
Okay.
One small step for human. No hands. This is no hands. You guys, no hands. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. What? I forgot to get my feet. Whoa! Ta-da!
So, just taking a walk of faith right now. No, I love this. I love bridges. I love heights. This is so cool. Oh, it goes on for so long. Yo! Wow.
10 meters.
Sorry, I slowed down. I'm just gawking a little bit. Oh my god, look at that tree! The whole point is to look, isn't it? Yeah. This is pretty cool. Eric! Are you okay? Did you fall? Just walk it off, walk it off. Oh, you good. Okay. No hands. No hands. I don't know why I'm going for this blade technique. Justin, you're killing my groove. You're killing my groove. Okay, okay. No hands. Almost there. Almost there. Woo! Oh, thank you. Just mount.
Hi vlog. So, it's good to be back. Thanks for having us. Me, Casey, Ashley. We made a little clip for you.
Hey vlog! We're back!